italent angithi asitshontshe siyajiva
angithi uyazenzela into grand
mawuhambe ekhasi ucoka kanje bathi laba
igebengu
ungasithathi ngokuncola sinamavisa wena
angithi angithola losho njalo usewazi wangcola kana ngishiya passports ngithola abafuyi
and passport is 600 asimala
uyabuka uyadura home affairs
and you apply it online uyayibona and i-visa is more than 3 point something
very cheap
so ngoba thina
ayikho cheap sengithi very cheap ayikho cheap 3 point something ivisa
so wonke umuntu anetalent angayithathi kancane aphushe because awazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu okubekeleni all I'm trying to say ukuthi put God first.
uNkulunkulu phambili bafethu ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu awuyindawo
angeke
angizwa ngisoma bafukholelwa kwini kumadlozi
no I believe in God
le impahla ipayisebenzelayo le mpahla ikeja ikeja bese ungene kanjani la ikeja
mina uyikeja ngiyi-brand ambassador ikeja